Wait! Before we start, do you want a bundle of 30 printable Afrikaans PDF cheat sheets? Teaching you words and phrases for conversations for free? Then click the link in the description and sign up for a free lifetime account to get access.
My name is Stelly, and today we're going to have an Afrikaans lesson. I hope you like the lesson. Please show that you like it. Subscribe to our channel and go to our website, afrikaanspod101.com, for your free lifetime account. So what are we going to learn about today? We're going to learn about trains in South Africa, treine in South Africa. But it's a little bit of a different lesson because it's like a comprehension lesson, a begripsles. So you're going to listen to the whole section in Afrikaans only. Jy gaan net luister in Afrikaans. Sien hoeveel kan jy verstaan. See how much you can understand. See if you can answer the questions. Sien of jy die vraag kan beantwoord. And then we'll do the translation. Okay? So, treine in Suid-Afrika. Meeste mense in Suid-Afrika ry per taxi of per motor. Nie per trein nie. Maar daar is 3 spesiale passasierstreine in Suid-Afrika. Die eerste een is die Shosholoza Mail. Shosholoza Mail. Dit is vir gewone mense met gemiddelde of lae inkomste, nie vir ryk mense nie. Dan is daar die Goudtrein. Dit is vir pendelaars en toeriste. Dit is 'n sneltrein. En die Bloutrein is 'n luukse trein vir ryk mense of toeriste met 'n baie sterker geldstelsel as ons. So, kom ons kyk na daardie 3 treine. Die Shosholoza Mail het in die verlede van Johannesburg tot Kaapstad gery en terug, gereeld. Maar tans loop Shosholoza Mail slegs aan die einde van die maand vanaf Johannesburg tot Komani en terug. Dis al. Hoekom? Want koperkabels word deur diewe gesteel. En dan kan die treine nie loop nie. Die kabels word gereeld gesteel, dan moet dit vervang word. Wat van die Goudtrein? Die Goudtrein is Suid-Afrika se sneltrein. 'n puiktrein. Sy hoogste spoed is 160 km/h. As jy Suid-Afrika toe kom en jy moet na die lughawe gaan, gebruik die Goudtrein. Die Goudtrein gaan tot by OR Tambo internasionale lughawe. So dit ry tot in die lughawe. So jy hoef nie eers enige verdere bus te vat nie. Dis 'n baie goeie manier om by die lughawe te kom. Wat van die Bloutrein? Die Bloutrein is Suid-Afrika se luukse trein. Die weeklikse roete van die Bloutrein is vanaf Pretoria na Kaapstad en weer terug. Dit gaan ook na Hoedspruit. En Hoedspruit is baie naby die Krugerwiltuin. So ek hoop as jy Suid-Afrika toe kom, sal jy na die Krugerwiltuin toe gaan. Kom ons vra die vraag. Waarmee reis Suid-Afrikaners die meeste? Die meeste. Per trein, per taxi en motor of per vliegtuig? Die tweede vraag, is dit waar of onwaar? Die Shosholoza trein ry tans weekliks vanaf Pretoria tot Kaapstad. Is dit waar of onwaar? En watter mense kan die Bloutrein bekostig? Alle mense? Of mense met baie geld? Of 'n sterk geldstelsel? Of mense met 'n gemiddelde inkomste? So, now we're going to do the translation. So most people in South Africa travel by taxi or by car, not by train. But there are 3 passenger trains, special passenger trains in South Africa. The first one that we're going to talk about is the Shosholoza Mail. And this is for ordinary people, just you and me, you know. Ordinary people with a low or middling income. Then there's a Gautrain. Now, you've got to use the Gautrain if you come to South Africa because it is our only speed train. It's for commuters and tourists, but you can go shopping at Sandton with that train. And then there's the Blue Train. Now, if you come from a country with a strong currency, or you've got a bit of money, you've got to go on the Blue Train because it is a fantastic luxury train. So, the Shaw's Mail in the past went regularly from Cape Town to Johannesburg to Durban, but now something has happened since then. The copper cables get stolen regularly, and it's an electric train, so it needs the copper cable. So I want you to look at this sentence. We're going to have a little grammar lesson now, where it says, Koperkabels word deur diewe gesteel. In the English, copper cables are being stolen by thieves. You might recognize this as passive voice. It's not active voice. It's not saying they steal the copper cables. It's saying copper cables are being stolen by thieves. So how does passive voice work in Afrikaans? Let's see. We're going to take a very simple sentence. Die hond byt die seun. So you can see what's happening there. I don't even have to explain this sentence. The first step is identify the subject of the sentence and the object of the sentence. That's important because the next step is you have to swap them. Okay? Once you've swapped them, you are not done because now it's saying the boy bites the dog, and that's obviously wrong. So you've got to do the next step, which is identify the tense, because in the present, past and future tense you have to do different things with the passive voice. But this one is the present tense. How do you know? Well, there's no ge, there's no sal, so this is a present tense verb. So what do you do now? Once you've registered its present tense, then you move the verb to the end of the sentence and you add ge. Now I know this looks weird because normally ge is for past tense, right? But in passive voice, leidende vorm, ge is always before the verb. You add ge to the verb in all three tenses. Now, because it's present tense, between the object and the subject, you will add what? Word deur. Now you're done. Die seun word deur die hond gebyt. Die koperkabels word deur diewe gesteel. Sorry, that was your grammar lesson. Okay, so currently the Shaw's Mail only runs from Johannesburg to Komani and back at the end of each month to take the workers to the Eastern Cape and back to Johannesburg. So the cables are stolen regularly and they have to be replaced regularly. Another short lesson, yeah? What about adverbs? Remember we said the cables are stolen regularly. Die kabels word gereeld gesteel. Gereeld is an adverb of time. And so that must go between word and deur. Like this. Word gereeld deur diewe gesteel. That's how it works. Okay. Gautrain. Gautrain is South Africa's express train. It runs from Johannesburg Park Station to Pretoria, to Hatfield, to Sandton, where you can shop till you drop. It goes to OR Tambo International Airport. So it's fast. Part of it goes underground, part of it's above the ground. And if you come to South Africa and you need to go, obviously sometime, to the airport, then this is the way to do it, because the Gautrain drives right into the airport. Now then, the Blue Train. That is South Africa's luxury train. 5-star, 6-star, I don't know how many stars there are, but it is like the top thing to do if you've got the money for it, because it's expensive. The weekly route is from Pretoria to Cape Town and back. And it also has a route now to Hoedspruit, which is close to the Kruger National Park, which of course you must not miss if you come to South Africa. So the questions. The first question was, with what do South Africans travel the most? The train, the taxi and car, or the plane? Well, the taxi and car. And now you had to do question, true or false. Does the Shoshalose train currently run from Pretoria to Cape Town? No, it's false. The Shoshalose train is going monthly, once a month, maandeliks, vanaf Johannesburg tot Komani en terug. From Johannesburg to Komani and back. So, watter mense kan die blou trein bekostig? Which people can afford the blue train? All people? People with a lot of money or a strong currency? Or people with a average income? Well, the answer is people with a lot of money or a strong currency coming to South Africa. So that is it. I hope you liked the video. I hope you subscribe to our channel. Please do. And go to our website, afrikaanspod101.com, to get your free lifetime account. Totsiens!
Now that you're finished with this lesson, don't forget, as a free bonus, you get over 30 conversation cheat sheets, but only if you sign up via the link in the description. You'll learn how to have flowing conversations and how to answer the most common questions. You can also print out these colorful cheat sheets to keep as physical study material. So don't miss out on this free gift. Click the link in the description and sign up for a free lifetime account to get your PDF cheat sheets.